Hello there, Carla Seskin here. Well, machines are replaceable, but your hands are not. That's why I want to advise you to take care of them in the proper way. The most important is to give them a good stretch before and after every procedure. Full extend your arm and then allow your wrist to be stretched in both directions. Make sure the gloves are the right size for your hands. And also, the cords or cable from your machine will have to be tied either in your arm or wrap it around your neck. That way you won't have to fight the extra weight and movement that the cords can add to the procedure. Now let's talk about your anchor. Your anchor will be your pinky, and that will be your best friend every single time that you have the machine in your hands. Take a look at the difference in the tension that my hand has to apply when I'm holding my machine without the pinky. Now my pinky is in position, my anchor is helping me to work in a better way. Also, my pinky or anchor will allow me to keep my 90-degree angle easier. Let's take a look from a different angle. When I hold my machine very tight with a lot of tension in my hand and very close to the needle cartridge, my movements are restricted. I need to use my anchor and I need to grab my tool a little bit higher so I can have a better range of movement. Remember, your anchor in place for that 90-degree angle. Remember that you will have to develop your own muscle memory, so allow yourself to play around these hand movements with any tool that you have in hand, pencils, pens, and then your machine. And always remember that your anchor or pinky will have to be in place. Now let's speak stretching. If you stretch the skin only using the force from two of your fingers, your hand will get tired faster. So allow yourself to play with different options, stretching using the force from your full hand. And when I mean the force, I don't mean the pressure. I mean opening those fingers more. Try with different fingers until you find your own method. Also, be extra careful when you grab the ink from the ink container. You don't want to damage the needle, so your anchor or pinky has to be in place to allow you to move your hand properly without damaging the needle. Finally, stretch your hands again and make sure that you remove your gloves in the proper way to avoid cross-contamination. Well, that's it for this one. get ready with your tools, and let's get to work.